Hello, good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Welcome to Jumbo Bear Show. And today, we'll have an unleashing. Yeah, it's an unleashing of kits. But I don't know if it's a Gunpla or a Beyblade. So, yeah, let's go. Let's have this one right here. And we will... Oh, it's the stand. Okay, so we will unleash this and we will know it's a Beyblade or a Gunpla. But as I think, how's the size of the pack or the package, it's like a Gunpla, but I see it inside with this bubble wrap. It's a little bit small, so I think it's a Beyblade. So yeah, in order to know that, with the use and the help of my rusty but still trusted hobby knife, let's go. Let's unleash this. Let's go. Okay, so that's how we unleash it. And yeah. Ooh. So I've ordered this. Okay, so we have here your... Ooh, this is your Beyblade X Sino Calibur 360 GF or Gear Flat. Okay, so this is a Beyblade X version of the Xeno Calibur from the Beyblade Burst series. Okay, I'm not so familiar with the Beyblade Burst series because yeah, I've only watched some of its episode until it's out in Netflix because yeah, the Burst series are done. I like the Burst. Yeah, I really like the Burst because it also has a little bit of physics on the first part, but in the middle and at the end, more on something magical powers. Yeah. But yeah, it also has something physics for it because yeah, I'm a science related person, so I really like having an explanation that in science when there are two Beyblades clashing in the stadium, and also how they move. And now it's the Xeno Calibur, which is very known with this one-sided kind of attack ring. Yeah, it's called like an attack ring, but it's called blade also now because it's in the Beyblade X series right now, our version rather. So yeah, that's the form of our Xeno Calibur. Yeah, Xeno X Calibur rather. It's very nice. And the parts for this one, yeah, before that, it has also that kind of holder launcher, but it's really a hold launcher rather. It's really called the sword launcher on the Beyblade Burst. Yeah, when the Samurai Calibur, am I right? Or the Samurai Saber came out first with the hold launcher, it's really based on the sword launcher on this on the Beyblade Burst series, which is primarily used by I forgot the name, but it's Shikadera, as if I remember. But yeah, I forgot. But yeah, this is the person who holds or owned the Excalibur, the Xeno Excalibur. Okay, so let's go at the parts at the back. So here we can see that it's a right spinning Beyblade. Yeah, it has a ratchet of 360, and its beat is a gear flat. So I'm thinking that it will have a 160 or a 170 or 180 ratchet because it has this kind of point on the blade which has all that points. But yeah, it's also good with your 360. It's much smaller. It more targets with the ratchet and with the other Beyblade. And having that gear flat, it has more opportunity going to the extreme lines of our stadium. So it's very nice. So here we use the launcher with like this one, like this. So you will hold entirely the holding part of our launcher. Yeah, and I think they also use the extended Reaper for our sword, or not sword but hold launcher rather. Okay, yeah. So it's very nice. So same as usual with some other Beyblade kits or Beyblades here in our channel, it will have an unboxing, and after it we'll have the spin test and then the test battles, and yeah, review for how well this Beyblade will perform. Okay? So I think that's it, because yeah, it's just an unleashing, and we will have more of it, more Beyblades to come, original, fakes. Yeah, we also have some bootleg Beyblade right here. So we'll also have that next time on some battles. So if you have some request battles, just comment down there below and we will talk about that. Alright? So for now guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you like this kind of videos and contents, please consider to like, share, comment, subscribe. Please hit that notification button for our next videos. Alright, that's it. Thank you so much. So good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake the Bass signing off, and Gambler Show signing off. Happy New Year everyone. Bye.